Hello everyone. Today I will walk you through how to set up your JBL 500 soundbar. Start by placing the soundbar directly in front of your TV, centered under the screen. Next, connect the power cables. Plug the soundbar into a wall outlet. Do the same for the subwoofer. Turn on the soundbar using the power button on the remote or on the unit itself. Now connect the soundbar to your TV. The best connection is HDMI. Take the HDMI cable and plug one end into the soundbar port labeled HDMI ARC or eARC. Plug the other end into the matching HDMI ARC or eARC port on your TV. Open your TV settings and make sure the HDMI ARC and CEC are turned on. This allows sound to pass to the soundbar and lets you control volume with your TV remote. If your TV does not support HDMI ARCs, you can use an optical cable instead. You can also connect using Bluetooth. Press the Bluetooth button on the soundbar or remote until pairing mode appears. On your phone or TV, open Bluetooth settings and select JBL Bar 500. Once connected, play music or a video to test the sound. Thanks for watching.